Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. I'm gonna be doing a nice video here. I got the overlay finally from CruxMotorsports to go ahead and black this out. This is a gloss black film. Very nice. It's made by 3M 1080, so it's a very high quality film. The first thing you want to do, as always, is to go ahead and clean the panel. I went ahead and already cleaned it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it a little bit more, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, guys, so you can get a microfiber towel. You can go ahead and clean it with any detailer, or you can use some alcohol pads and just go ahead and clean the area nicely until it's nice and dry and clean. The film that we're going to be using, it's a bubble-free technology, so you don't have to be using any water or anything like that. It just goes on as a dry application. Alright, so now this is nice and clean. We're going to go ahead and get started on the process. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel the area. As you can see, there's a T here, which means this is the top. So you want to go ahead and peel this off in that same direction. And I left the door just a slightly open, just in case I need to go ahead and adjust. So very precise cut. So what I'm gonna do is kind of measure it. So this has to go just a little bit up and over so that it's even on both sides. Alright, and just like with everything, you're gonna go ahead and start pressing on it and work with the film. Again, guys, this is a bubble-free technology, so you can peel and put on as much as you want. Alright, guys, so I have everything positioned nicely. All this overhang, you're gonna go ahead and turn it into the door, and then that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finalize this, and then I'll show you the final product. And there you have it, guys. It looks just real nice, easy. Guys, the excess, it's much easier if you go ahead and use a heat gun or a hair blow dryer, and then you just start folding from the inside. It looks really nice, guys. The after effect, very easy to install. Take another angle here. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.